Hello everyone, I'm Grace Slate and this is a technical breakdown and demonstration of Ilari's multi-expression voice bank. This voice bank has several different expressions and various features that will be discussed in this video. This video will serve to educate users of Ilari in using the bank to its fullest potential. Even users that have no prior experience with the Russian CVC format will be able to pick up how to use Ilari from this tutorial. In Ilari's voice bank folder, there are several files that are intended to assist the user. These include the How to Use guide and phoneme table. In Ilari's README file, his expressions are also detailed. We will first cover the general usage of Ilari. Phonemes with a hyphen in front of them are placed at the beginning of a phrase. Phonemes with a hyphen after them are placed at the end of a phrase. Phonemes with an accent mark in front of them are glottal beginning vowels and they go at the beginning of a phrase. Phonemes with an accent mark after them are glottal ending vowels and they go at the end of a phrase. Phonemes with two vowels are vowel-vowel transitions and go between CVs. Phonemes with one vowel are standalone vowels and go in the middle of a phrase. Phonemes with an underscore in front of them are mock same vowel-vowel transitions. Instead of two vowels taken together from the same string, these are configured to blend with the same vowel preceding it. These should go in between notes with the same vowel. Phonemes with no hyphen, underscore, or other accent mark are middle CVs and go in the middle of the phrase. Ilari has 4 standalone breaths. These are recommended to be used in an outside Dawin mixing. If you would like to use them in UTAU itself, the resampler I recommend is TNFun009 and use the W-1 flag. At the courtesy of CLAD, there is a presamp.ini file included in Ilari's bank. This will allow the UST to be converted to CVVC from CV-only phonemes automatically in a sample such as this.
Ja budto чужая в своей родной земле, но я не боюсь ее не вру себе. Мое тело в шрамах, а ладонь в грязи. Я ищу свой дом и корни, как и ты.
Using presamp may not yield perfect results, but it is entirely possible to override and insert VCs or other phonemes manually. Now for Ilari's individual expressions.
Do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do.
The first expression Ilari has is his core expression. This is the default voice that he has if you were to use him in a UST before any note editing. This expression is what is aliased in the prefix map. The prefix map allows the pitches to be selected automatically from which note is being played in the UST without having to put the phonemes in the UST itself. His core expression is tri-pitch. The 3 pitches are G3, D4, and A4. Ilari's core expression is also power scale, meaning that the pitches increase in power and intensity as they go higher. The core expression has powerful, clean vocals, and the range is contralto. The best resampler to use for this pitch is FreeSamp11, and the best flags are BRE0, Y99, capital C99, lowercase c99, F1, L1, G+3. I'll now play a sample of Ilari's core expression.
Темный мрачный коридор, я на цыпочках ковор, пробираюсь чуть дыша, чтобы не спугнуть. Те, кто спит уже давно, те, кому не все равно, чья комнату тайком желаю заглянуть. Чтобы увидеть, как бессонница час ночью меня не видит моя подвиг. Чьи вольница тихие, зачем тебе отводиться на небе? Do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do.
The next expression is his soft expression. Like the core expression, this expression is tri-pitch and has the same pitches as the core expression. This expression has soft, airy vocals best suited for subtle genres. The range is the same as the core expression. When using this expression, adding an S suffix to the notes in the UST will activate it. Since the S precedes the pitch in the aliases, and they are the same as the chord pitches, it is compatible with the prefix map. This means that putting an S as a suffix will activate the corresponding soft pitch. The ideal resampler and flags are the same as this core expression. Here is a sample of Ilari's soft expression.
Stawacja każdy rok, który się koniec. Koda się pomnielić to my chcemy, by jedno się prydnosi laty. By podjamienu nadziała, by rafy na lód. Nie na dobrego tak są mój. Как to старание тебе как чувствуй. Мне не нужна твоя любовь, но меня ты избегаешь и не вновь. Зачем же указия так? Присылать заради меня номер свой. Мне это больше не к чему. Ты теперь такого забыть хочу.
The final expression of Ilari's is his whisper expression. This expression is a complete whisper and suffixed with a W. This expression sounds best when using the resampler TN-Fun009 and the W-1 flag. The W-1 flag disables pitch shifting, so it doesn't matter where the notes are placed, which is ideal for this type of expression. Here is a sample of Ilari's whisper expression. Thank you for watching this demonstration. The link to download Ilari, his wiki pages, Utaform showcase entry, and my Utah website is down in the description. All of the songs I featured as samples in his demo reel will have full USTs available in the near future. Special thanks to Clad for lending me his UST and making me the presamp.ini file. I would appreciate seeing anything that you make with Ilari. Although it's not required, I appreciate you linking back any kind of covers or fan art that you make, including Ilari. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe if you'd like to. I'll see you in the next video.